Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a crochet snowflake with medium worsted yarn, an H hook, and you can go up or down on hook sizes, just depending on how big you would like this. Okay, and this is about 5-6 inches or so, and the pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. To start off with the magic circle, and if this is your first time, I do have videos on how to do that down below. So grab the yarn and start with a chain 3. You can place this video in slow motion if this is too fast, or also pause the video. Then I'm going to yarn over and draw up the loop. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and draw up the loop. Yarn over, insert your hook, draw up the loop. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 3. Then you're going to yarn over, grab the yarn, and drop the loop 3 times. So yarn over, grab the yarn, draw up your loop. One more time. And then do it as loosely as you can, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And then chain 3. I'm going to do this for a total of 6 times, so you have 6 points to this snowflake. So you're going to do it 3 times and make it somewhat loose, yarn over, pull through all loops, and then chain 3. And just keep repeating that until you have all 6 puff stitches in the center. Now you're going to close the circle and then slip stitch into the beginning stitch somewhat in the center of that puff stitch, and then slip stitch into the next stitch, and then slip stitch into the center. Now if slip stitches are new to you, I have many videos for beginner stitches. Now you're going to chain, and then you're going to chain 1, 2, and then 3, and then you're going to yarn over, draw up the loop, yarn over, grab the yarn, drop the loop. Then you're going to pull through all loops, then chain 3, and then you're going to create another puff stitch by drawing it up 3 times. So the 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through all loops, and then chain 3 again. And then you're going to do that into the next stitch. You're going to create 2 puff stitches with a chain 3 in the center. So 1 and then 2, and this is the 3rd one, and then pull through all loops, then chain 3, and then another puff stitch in the center. So each chain space receives 2 puff stitches and a chain 3. And you're just going to repeat that around, and then chain 3, and then go into the center again and just repeat 3 times. And then pull through all loops, chain 3, and then yarn over and grab the yarn 3 times, and then you'll just repeat that all the way until you get to the beginning. This is just all repeat here now until you get to the beginning, and then chain 3, slip stitch into the beginning stitch, and then slip stitch into the chain space. Then chain 1, and then double crochet 4 times. So yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. And then repeat 3 more times. And then you're going to chain 3. Then work 4 double crochet, and then you're going to slip stitch or single crochet in the next stitch, pull through both loops, and then in the next work 4 double crochet, a chain 3, and 4 double crochet, and that is the pattern around. And then single crochet in the next space, and then you're just repeating 4 double crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet. Single crochet and then slip stitch into the beginning stitch, and then you're going to slip stitch by pulling through until you get to the chain space, and then you're just going to make little snowflake ends to each point. I'm going to chain 6, single crochet, chain 6, so you're chaining 6 4 times with a single crochet, and then single crochet, and then chain 4. Then you're going to slip stitch into the next chain space and do the same exact pattern, which is the chain 6 with a single crochet 4 times. Okay, you're at the end and you're just going to slip stitch to the beginning stitch that you started from. Then you just fasten off and weave in all of your ends, and then your snowflake is complete. Take your needle and your yarn and weave in the back to secure your ends. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can make it smaller if you like. This is pretty big, but always make it smaller by going down a hook size or larger with a larger hook. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.